Okay, let's do our market review. Of course, we are going to start with Tesla, but we are also going to take a look at the stock indices, Dow Jones, SPX, NASDAQ, Russell. We are going to take a look at gold and silver, what's happening with those, and also cryptos. We are going to take a look at Bitcoin and Ethereum. Tesla closed at $442.60, down $4.83, almost 1% down. Post-market down a little bit more. So with this close today, what has changed in terms of our patterns? Let's check. We are still into the overall big bullish channel. We are still into the smaller bullish channel. Nothing has changed there. Last week, we could not break above 440.13. This week, yes, we broke above yesterday. Some of us on Discord took the trade, and we are still in that trade. And today we are continuing. We are still above 440.13. We are still above our trigger, so nothing to do here, nothing to do. On the daily chart, we still don't have stochastic over 60. We had it yesterday, barely had it, but we lost it today. So in terms of momentum, the momentum is slowing down a little bit because we are above 440.13. Even if we lose stochastic, the price action is more important than indicators. We are still in it so far. Now, what is going to happen tomorrow is something special. We are going to get the earnings call for Tesla. At the end of the day tomorrow, we are going to get the earnings call, and this is where Tesla is going to tell us about the revenues and the profits that they make, and also the future outlook of the company. And depending on what is going to be said, nobody knows. Nobody knows how the market is going to react. Nobody knows. We could be having a good earnings or we could be having bad earnings. But look at this here. We had the bad earnings with Tesla, 35% almost negative surprise in earnings, April 22nd. Negative surprise, big negative surprise. What did happen? The stock went from 243 to 372. So whether or not we are having good and bad earnings, in terms of the numbers, what people are listening at are the future outlook of the company. This is a wild card. It's easy to say afterwards, yeah, of course, Tesla was going to beat and the stock was going to go higher because we had way more deliveries and production, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, but no, this is not how it works. The stock market moves because people decide to buy or sell. And they might be influenced by earnings. They might be influenced by something Elon says, the way he says it. Nothing is for sure. Things are looking good. As I said, delivery numbers and production numbers are much higher this time, partly because the EV tax credit that ended September 30th helped a lot. So if you are investing in Tesla for the long term, I think you are safe in Tesla. We are still into a bullish channel. This is what I'm saying. Big bullish channel. We are still into the big bullish channel. Midterm, we are into a smaller bullish channel. We are going sideways. We have been going sideways for a couple of weeks. If you are more of a trader, then this is different. You try to profit from smaller moves, so then you need to act accordingly. You need to take the earnings call into consideration and decide if you want to risk it before or wait until it happens and be ready Thursday morning. Technical analysis is going to be helpful Thursday morning to see how the reaction to the earnings is impacting the current pattern. Thursday morning, this is going to be super important. If we had a bad earnings or if people are reacting badly, are we going to break lower than 420.46? If so, then we are going lower. If we are going to break above 452.91, if so, then we should be going higher. This is where technical analysis is going to help us Thursday morning. Right now, so far, the patterns are still holding. We are not going lower than 440. We are not going lower, of course, than 420. We are not going higher than 452. So everything so far is at a standstill. Let's take a look at the rest of the market. So VIX is coming down. We are down almost 10% today. VIX is down to 1788. Now we are starting to talk. This is nice. Yes, I would like a push lower than 1739, but still at 1788, below 18, I'm quite happy with this. How did the stock indices react? Dow Jones trying to break 4739 was not able to close above today. We went above, we closed a little bit below. We have all of our indicators. We still see a lot of bullishness. SPX, look at this, touching 67.51, very close to breaking it. We have not broken it yet. QQQ, the same thing, run resistance. NASDAQ, also the same thing. All of our patterns on Tesla are waiting for news. They are waiting for news. And if we start to having some movement, because we are having a lot of earnings called this week, next week, and the week after, we are entering a 3-week period with lots of earnings. If we start breaking expectations in those earnings, of course, the stock indices are going to be pushed above and we should see some break. And if we see some break, this is going to mean that we can pile on and take the ride. Gold and silver dropping quite dramatically, I will say. So gold down 6.9% and silver almost 8%, big gap down. So when the stock market is not doing too good, gold and silver tend to go well. And when gold and silver tend to do badly, it's because the stock market is going to go well. I think there's a rotation right here. We are seeing a rotation, people getting out of gold and silver and piling on in the stocks because of the earnings that are coming. I would not be surprised if we have nice beats in earnings. And Bitcoin is also improving, not a lot. We are up 0.16. It was very volatile today. It went as low as we were yesterday, but went significantly higher. For the past 4 days, Bitcoin has been making higher lows and also higher highs. So this is looking good. We still need to break 113 to be out of the woods because we are still into a downward channel. We need to break that to have a big move. We cannot complain when things are going a little bit higher. Ethereum also quite a volatile day, broke 4,091 during the day and came back and then tested its low at 38.19. So lots of movement with Bitcoin and Ethereum. And this seems to coincide with the drop in gold and silver. Bitcoin and Ethereum tend to go along with stocks instead of going along with refuge metals. Maybe this is what we are seeing right now. Yeah, we have one more day to hold our breath. Tesla is doing good. We are still above 440. This is doing good. Let's hope that tomorrow we are maintaining this, and then let's hope that Tesla knocks it out of the park. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.